Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair and then tie it up more towards the right side, flip the hair inwards. Now repeat the same step, however tie this up more towards the left side. Once more take another section of the hair but this time tie it up towards the right. Next, loosen the strands of the hair using your fingers. Roll the bottom into a bun. Adjust it accordingly. Add some decorative clips once you are done. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Tie a rubber band to the base. Divide the hair into two sections, add a rubber band in the middle of each. Roll the hair in on itself. Lift it up and then tie a bun into it. Decorate it with some clips. Tie a ponytail, then take a section off the ponytail. Add a rubber band in the middle. Divide the hair into two portions. Flip the hair. Pull one section through the other. Lift it up to make a bow. Adjust it accordingly as such. For the bottom of the hair, make a fishtail braid out of it. Add some decorative clips once you are done. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back as such and flip the hair in on itself. Tie a low ponytail. Next, tie a rubber band in the middle as well. Flip the hair inwards. Braid the bottom of the hair and once you are done, roll the entire bottom bit of the hair upwards and make a bun out of it. Use a decorative clip. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back. Flip the hair in on itself once you are done. Loosen the strands using your fingers. Take two more sections at the back. Once more tie it up and repeat the steps. Repeat the step until you reach the base and there are no more sections of the hair that can be taken. Once you are done, add multiple decorative clips to it to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.